Just a quick video. Does your Sequoia have the brake controller? First of all, you want to take off these kick panels. You got 4 screws that are here. You see them, they're pretty obvious. Pop that off. Then you have a panel here that goes in like that. It just pulls out once you pop the clips. Now the question is, where is the plug for the brake controller? If you're following me here you have the e-brake. Coming in, see if I can get this. You're in all this junk. Well, way back here is where the plug is at, right there. Let's see. You can see this little white plug back here. That's where it's at. It's got electrical tape around it. Carefully cut the electrical tape off and pull it out. Stand by, I'll get it out. I just wanted to show it before I pulled it out. That way it was easier for you guys to understand that it's tucked back there. Alright, I got it out. I'm going to go in here slowly and see if I can show you. Here it is, popped out. Let's see if I can't. There. It's tucked way back here. And be careful, you gotta gotta maneuver it. It's out of some wires and stuff like that. I posted a picture, but yeah, just so you can see the back. Here are all the different colored wires on the back, so you can kind of see if you're getting to the right plug or not. Alright, so if you've made it this far and you want to keep watching, we're going to be installing the Redarc Pro Liberty electric trailer brake controller. If that helps there, I'll also try and link this. It comes with Ethernet connector. It comes to the controller for the brake control. It comes with this, the power adapter and everything else. It comes with a few inserts, which we are going to try to either put in one of 2 places. Put it in the blank spot here, or put it in one of the blank spots down here. And with that, you'll also need to get the wiring harness for Toyota vehicles. I got all of this on eTrailer. And if you look at my other videos, I'll be doing a video on how to install the Firestone airbag helper. I didn't really show it, I should have. So this panel down here just pops right off. And then one of these actually comes with the Redarc brake controller insert. So you just pop these off, they press out from the back, and then you just pop the one from eTrailer right there. Fits perfectly. This isn't specific to the Sequoia, so there we go. In case I didn't show it earlier, all you have to do to take off this kick panel here. Here we are. There's 4 screws. Just plop them out. They're Phillips heads, and then this just pops up like any other plastic trim. Then in here, there's a plastic knob right there. Just untwist it. Take it off, and then this just pops out. I'm going to end up mounting the Redarc this orientation, and you see I already have it routed up and through there, making sure I have the proper length on everything. Alright, so this is what it looks like mounted on. Got it nice and zip tied, and this will go right back up in there. Alright, so final look. There you've got the knob. Fits in flush, and that came from eTrailer with the Redarc kit. It comes out there. I ran it along the back here. It's run along up on this lip. Got one zip tie there holding in a few things, but Ethernet comes out here. Had it zip tied to the frame. There you got it. It's mounted to this kick panel, and the other harness it's all routed right behind here. Comes in there. You can ground it wherever you want. I found a ground here. There's plenty of grounds up there. But yeah, that is the Redarc brake install and how it looks. 2006 Sequoia, if I hadn't said it.